Hello, gurus. Welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. If you don't know who I am, I'm James. I've been trading 21 years. I've been teaching on YouTube for 3 years. I've been teaching for the last 10 years. Crypto stock investing. I have more than 10,000 students taking my courses. I have 7,000 students in my Telegram group. I have 77,000 of you, or 78,000 of you here, 73,000 of you on Twitter. And hopefully you've been learning from me for the last 3 years on these daily videos, teaching about crypto, Bitcoin, stocks, investing. I'm going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I bought FXS today again. I sold it at $13.50 a few days ago. We bought it at $7.70, sold it at $13.50, which almost 100% gain. I put in $60,000, became around $120,000. I sold it, and now I bought it again. I bought around $60,000 at the $10.70 mark, which I'm going to show you as well. So Bitcoin, Ethereum, and FXS if I have enough time. Make sure you learn. If you haven't ever bought crypto or used Bitcoin and you're calling it a scam or something like this, make sure you buy Bitcoin and send someone $20. As soon as you do, you'll understand the technology behind Bitcoin. I want to also say, if you bought, and anyone saying, oh, but Bitcoin's gone down from 69,000. If you put $1 into Bitcoin in 2009, you would have now $8.7 million. $1 in 2009, you'd have $8.7 million. I got in 2012. I started mining Bitcoin, and people were telling me back then it's a scam. And I've watched it go from $100, $300 to $100 to $100 to $1,000 to $300 to $20,000 to $3,000 to $69,000 to $16,000. Now we're sitting at around 1,000, something like this. Pay attention to it. Make sure you understand and learn what the technology is before you comment. Hit the subscribe button. Join 78,000 people. Smash our thumbs up button. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Into the market, FXS is up about 1.9%, 1.3%, which is beautiful. I just bought more FXS. If you followed me a few days ago, I sold most of my positions, and I just added back after this 30% correction. I added FXS again. MCRT is up, which is beautiful, 1%. We're going into Bitcoin. Why I bought Bitcoin now, I opened a trade. If you followed, wow, look at it, pumped 21,848. Why? Because I saw that it's starting to do a bottoming formation. It looks like a curved rounding bottom. We had some pull downs. It made a descending broadening wedge, which is a bullish pattern. This descending broadening megaphone, it's bullish. And then it did a bull flag. You can see here, and the bull flag pumped, which is beautiful. Target will be 22,073. If you haven't opened a trade on Bitcoin, I would open one right now, actually. And my trade didn't execute, actually, from that previous trade setup. It just missed it. So I'm going to actually open it where we are right now, because I think Bitcoin is going to go on a mini run. It looks like it's bottoming formation. Target 22,000, 6 points. This is the trade that I would set on Bitcoin. Let's go closer. 15 minutes. I would open the trade here on Bitcoin on this support, stop loss just underneath. Oh, it's pulling back. Okay, I'll leave the same trade setup that I had before, actually. So I'll keep the same trade setup that I showed in my previous video, because it does look like Bitcoin could pull back and activate it. So the trade setup was, 1 second. Trade setup is here. This is the trade that I'll take on Bitcoin. Opening at 21,784, stop loss at 21,740, take profit 22,073. It's a 46.55 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $44 to make $288 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that's $2,800 in the profits. 20x leverage, that's almost $6,000 in the profits. That's the trade I'm going to take in Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, under the video in the pin comment and description down below, go down below under the video in the sign up to Bybit using that link. That's where I trade. It's the second biggest exchange. You can get $30,000 worth of bonuses if you sign up using that link, and it's for a limited time only. You can also buy MCRT there. Take the crypto master course. More than 7,000 students taking that course. You can learn technical analysis, how to do trades, stop losses, take profits, and you can join the free Telegram alerts group. And over on Bybit, I've got that trade open on Bitcoin. It's set, that trade. I've got an order. You can see here 21,784. This trade is it's a 0.89 Bitcoin trade, so around a $19,000 trade. That trade is now set for Bitcoin. So the way I set up that trade is you can learn in the crypto master course how to set the trade. In this account, I have $233,000 in here. I'm mostly in US dollars, 149,000 in US dollars. I've got 49,000 in MCRT, 10.7 million MCRT. The rest is pretty much in cash in this account after I sold my positions a few days ago. But now I'm looking to get FX. I bought some $60,000 worth of FXS in my Binance account. You can also buy it on Bybit. Do you know the real reason governments are going after crypto? Because it means you have to go back to the old ways of being able to buy into projects after it IPOs at $100 billion valuation. If you understand what this means, it's very powerful. This was my order for Bitcoin that I just showed you, 0.897 Bitcoin, 21,784 the trade. Will open, order cost $999, $19,000 trade, 20x leverage trade. That trade is set up. Because Bitcoin is doing this pattern that I showed you. Bitcoin short-term bottoming formation, bull flag, potential small long setup. I'm taking a small trade. Reminder, not financial advice. This is what I'm doing with my money. MCRT is up 2.46%, and it reached 100,000 followers on CoinMarketCap, which is beautiful. What else do we have here? This is chatgod.ai. I'm an investor in this project. It's an AI privately held company, so you can't invest in it at the moment, but it's a WhatsApp and Telegram chat GPT OpenAI chatbot. Chatgod.ai. You can go to that. Will using AI make you smarter? Using AI can certainly help you become smarter. AI can automate tedious tasks, etc., etc. I also asked that what are the main traits that make Bitcoin powerful. You can read it there. And be careful if you're talking to me in private, understand that it's most likely a fake scammer account. You can see I've got so many fake accounts being created every day. My team is deleting them non-stop, and they message you and pretend to be me. Be very careful. I will not ask you for money. This was in the Telegram, the 7,068 members in there. The link is in the description. I sold FXS at $13.50, rebuying FXS $10.70. I spot $50,000 buy, rounding bottom, 34% target, not financial advice. That was my order that I showed in the Telegram. FXS bouncing off this support, and I think FXS could go for a 34% run, which will be beautiful. You can see it bounced off this trend line multiple times, and that will be the target. In the next video, I'll do Ethereum. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get through. It's quite long. Thank you for watching, everyone. Hit the subscribe button. It's freezing. Smash up, thumbs up button. I hope you have a beautiful day. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.